Hello viewers, here I like to show you how to record 4K videos on Redmi Note 7 Pro. Let's have a look. First, launch camera app, tap on video, then tap on menu bar on the top right corner. Tap settings. Under camera settings, find out video quality. Tap on video quality. Select UHD 4K video quality. Then go back and start video recording. Watch out some 4K videos recorded by Redmi Note 7 Pro. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap on red subscribe button. Also tap on bell button to receive notifications about all new videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.